Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Pet Listener. How you doing, guys? So, behind me is the TV from episodes 54 and 55. Samsung still works. Here is a resin printer which I bought so long time ago. It's a 15th of March 2023, and finally I've got a use for it, to be true. Well, I had some uses before, but I never had time, and I don't have time either now. But it's time to finally open it, and let me show you the look. I just bought on the 3rd of March. I bought resin, 1 liter of water washable resin. But look, when I bought this Anycubic PHOTON mono 4K resin, yes, 3D printer. Yes, you're right, I'm nuts. 21st of September. I thought I'll have time, but you know what have happened? Customers have happened, and on that time I had literally time to do it. After I bought it, just more and more customers never stop. Then you train new people, and these people are failing, these people are going out, and they are never continue learning, and they are not helping you, and then you get least time, and then you need to spend extra time on new people, train them again to repair with you. And that's why, you know, it took me so long. Hopefully the people who are learning with me right now, they're gonna stay, because some of those people have stayed and some of these people do, but it's only one person actually who really stayed. So yeah, unboxing time. I don't know what to expect, to be true. A box, papers, hello. Okay, we've got it. PHOTON mono 4K. I've heard that it's a good 3D printer. Resin one, of course, yes, resin. because I've seen the quality of 3D printers, and those newer ones are quicker, and the quality is, you can get quite good quality. But other than that, you get a really good quality when you have a resin printer. Okay, now this is only an unboxing. I don't know how to operate whatsoever. So yeah, that's instruction. I would say CCA. Yes, thank you. Good to know it. That's all I can say. No, actually, I know a few words in Chinese. Just a few. Yeah, now here is the... Probably the English side is better, I'd say. I would understand far more. So yeah, I don't want to save the paper, which probably I will anyway. But if I can have it on video, I'd rather have it on a video on a YouTube. Now this is a glass which makes a funny noise when you say. So it's like an insulation. Okay, be right back. You wanna know who it was? Yeah, it was an estimate, and I said that my glass ball, you know, my crystal ball, have failed me too many times. I had to throw it to the bin, so I can't estimate it because the laptop is not charging. I don't know even the brand, the model. I don't know, is it worth fixing? It maybe this laptop cost like 50 quid, yes, and I don't know, is it the laptop's fault or the charger's fault or the battery fault? You know, we don't know it, yes, and I have to estimate it. Exactly. So yeah, we were talking about this, like a drum, yeah, not Rolling Stones drum, but you get the point. Vibrating. Okay, let me try to put it like that. Ah, it fits perfectly. Okay, so I don't want to put it the way that I will say sorry to myself later. Let me put it aside. You see, I don't even know what I can or I cannot do. Ooh, guys, sexy tools. Hello, how you doing? Several of these. COVID have finished, and you still get this. Ooh. This pen drive looks familiar. I don't know why. Looks familiar. What can you do? Charger, power. That's 100 to 240 volts, 50-60 hertz, 2 amps. Output 12 volts, 4 amps, 46 something watts. I don't know. Make times volts times amperes, you'll know. And polarity plus inside. And house, like domestic written. Ooh, that's gloves. Nah, you don't need to see what's the value. I've got this one. I've got this one somewhere lying. And the spatula. Take out the wallpaper from the wall, yeah? That's for sure QC passed, you know. Come on, such good quality of the tools. Ooh. Screen protector accessories. You know what? These people know what they are talking about. Screen protector. You know, no, they knew who they are selling it for, yes? Come on. Oh, finally COVID mask. I thought I won't get a COVID mask. Sorry. I know. You don't have to comment on that. I know. And one sheet does plenty, yes? Now that's screen protector, I think. Another. See, they know what I need, who I am, and they know what to do. And that's a smart move. But anyway, so that's it. That's everything in this 10 minutes recording. You see everything what's in the box. All I can do, I don't know even if I can plug it in just like that, or I'll better wait. I've got one customer which said that he could help me set it up. Okay, so I could tell you the procedure, because we will need to probably align it as well. So I don't want to do something and then regret it. Yes, what's the point of doing that? But as soon as I learn how to do it, yes, I'll be taking photos and I'll do the case study of the first launch of this device. I would say, yes, or maybe I'll do several videos, and me and merging videos, if I got no time, it's not a good idea. So probably I'll do the case study after, as always. So guys, thank you for watching. Hopefully you see that's the Anycubic coming to our family, PHOTON Mono 4, and now the 3D printing necessities in the business will be dealt with hopefully soon, thanks to this babe. That's me, guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, and you can let me down in the comments what you would like me to print on this 3D printer as well. Yes, thank you. Bye bye.